Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. If you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So we'll start with our today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what are the benefits of citrine crystal and how should we use this crystal in our everyday lives. Because this crystal have got multiple benefits, the beautiful benefits, and it creates a very good impact on the life of a wearer, the person who wears it and the person who places this crystal in their homes or their offices. So let's see what are the benefits of this very beautiful crystal, citrine. So citrine is a light yellow to gold color crystal, but it also comes in light brown color too. So there are different forms of citrine crystal. For example, there are citrine balls, citrine towers, citrine trees, then there are citrine bracelets, citrine pendants, and there are citrine malas too. And there are other forms also that citrine crystal comes in. So you can buy any form as per your own preferences or as per your own likes. So what I have today with me is a citrine ball. So you can see this is a citrine ball and it is light brown in color. I hope it is pretty much clear. It's a very beautiful ball. So I will tell you in detail like how you can use this ball in your everyday lives. And I have the citrine pyramid too. This is Indian citrine and this is also yellow in color. It's a very beautiful tower. And I have citrine mala with me today. You can wear this mala. It is also yellow in color. It's a very beautiful mala. So now I'll be talking about the benefits of the citrine crystal. But before that, I'll be telling you that what different names the citrine crystal has. Because since it has got beautiful benefits, the multiple benefits, that's why citrine is referred by various names. For example, the citrine is also called as a stone of abundance, a stone of success, stone of money, stone of good luck. Then it is also called as a merchant stone and it is also called as a happy sunshine stone because it has got various benefits. This crystal brings success, money and good luck into our life. And why it is called as a merchant stone? Because in the ancient period, during the ancient times, the merchants, the businessmen used to place this crystal in their offices, in their cash drawers, in their office drawers to attract money into their life, to get new clients, to get new orders, to get new contracts. That's why this crystal have got its own significance, its own importance in our everyday lives. So let's see what are the benefits of this citrine crystal in detail and how does it helps in our everyday lives. So first benefit is it raises our self-confidence, our self-esteem and our willpower. These things are pretty much essential in order to succeed in our life. So it works on our solar plexus chakra. Now what this solar plexus chakra is all about? Solar plexus chakra is located right above our navel area, in our upper stomach. I'll repeat again, this is a very important point. So that's why just listen to it very carefully. Our solar plexus chakra is located right above our navel area in our upper stomach, our upper abdomen. And the solar plexus chakra is responsible for your self-confidence, your willpower, your personal power, your self-esteem. Then it is also responsible for creativity, motivation. And that's why it is pretty much important to have a balanced solar plexus chakra. We need to activate our solar plexus chakra so that we can be confident enough. We can have a strong willpower to face new challenges, to deal with different situations that comes in our life, so that we are ready to take any risk in our life. Because we don't know, life is so unpredictable. It is full of ups and downs and we don't know what happens at the very next moment in our lives. So that's why we need to be confident enough. And this citrine crystal, it works on our solar plexus chakra. It activates our solar plexus chakra. So it enhances our self-confidence. It raises our self-confidence. It raises our self-esteem. Then our willpower, our personal power. It promotes creativity. It promotes motivation in our life. So if any point of time in your life you need motivation, you need courage, you need to be confident enough, or you need to have a strong willpower, or if your self-esteem is at the weakest level, then place this citrine crystal in your home in the east direction or in the east direction of your bedroom. It will enhance your self-confidence. It will make you a confident person. It will guide you and will motivate you to work upon your goals, on your ideas, to do better in your lives, to focus on your goals, to have one particular aim so that you can succeed in your life. So whatever you want in your life can be achieved if you wear this crystal or if you place this crystal in your bedroom. But make sure whenever you buy this crystal, you're only thinking positive and you're only getting positive thoughts about your life once you buy this crystal, because any negative thought will create a lot of problems in your life, will create blockages in your life, which will prevent you from moving ahead in your life. That's why it's a very good crystal for enhancing your self-confidence, your self-esteem, your willpower. Then it also gives you the strength and courage to move ahead in your life. So now comes the next benefit. The next benefit is, since it works on your solar plexus chakra, it helps you with the stomach related problems. So if you have any stomach related problems, for example, if you have digestion related problems, or if you have kidney problems, bladder problems, or if you have heat related problems, or even if you have skin related problems, then this citrine crystal will help you to get rid of all the such stomach related problems that is there in your life. It will heal your stomach. Now comes the next benefit. Citrine crystal boosts energy. So if you feel that you are low on energy, you are being inactive, you're not getting that energy to work upon your goals, to work hard in your life, and you are having that lazy kind of energy within you. You're just surrounded with negativity. You're surrounded with lot of negative thoughts and lot of insecurities and fear is there in your mind, and you don't feel like working. Then what you can do, just place this citrine ball or this citrine crystal in the east direction of your home or your room, wherever you study or wherever you work, or place it near your laptop area, your PC where you work. It will boost your energy. It will motivate you. It will re-energize you, since this crystal have got the energies and powers of the sun, and sun, it is the source of all the light and energies. So it will re-energize you. And once you place this crystal in the east direction of your home, or even if you wear this citrine mala or the citrine bracelet, you'll feel a different kind of enthusiasm in your body. You'll feel energetic and you'll feel like working the whole day. You'll be on the top of the world once you place this crystal in your room. That's why this crystal plays a very good role in boosting your energy. Now comes the next benefit. That is, it promotes joy and happiness in our life. Since I have said earlier that citrine is also called as a happy sunshine stone. So it's a very cheerful stone. So if you have stress and anxiety related issues, or you have the habit of overthinking, even on small things, you have the habit of overthinking, and because of that you are going under depression, you are feeling low, and there is a lot of fear and lot of insecurities have developed in your mind. And even if things are going great in your life, for example, if you have a job or if you have a business, everything is going great in your professional life, in your professional career, you are at the top position, but still if you are not satisfied from the inside, you don't feel happy, you don't have that inner peace, and you are not satisfied with your life, then what you can do, just place this crystal near your bed or near your pillow. You can place it either on the drawer, on the table which is near your bed, or you can place it near your pillow. It will promote joy and happiness in your life. It will make you feel positive, not only from the outside but also from the inside. It will give you an optimistic attitude towards yourself and towards your life and towards your family members. It will create an atmosphere of entertainment in your home, in your life. And once you are joyful, you are happy, you are in a position to make the others happy too. That's why it's a pretty good crystal that will cheer up your life. And if you have sleep related problems, then place this crystal near your pillow It will ensure that you have a sound sleep. So now comes the next benefit, that is the citrine crystal. It helps in attracting wealth and prosperity into our life. So if you have got your own business, your own startup, your own venture, and if there are a lot of problems going on in your business, continuously your business is incurring losses, you're not able to generate income or any profits in your business, and if you have made lot of if you have made lot of investments, you have purchased lot of properties, and your money is stuck somewhere, you're not getting good results out of your business, out of any contract that you have signed, then what you can do, you can place this citrine ball in your cash drawers or cash lockers, or you can also place the citrine ball in the southeast direction of your home. It will help you to attract money into your life. I'll tell you that how it works. If you are getting a lot of insecurities about your business, you think that things will not turn in your favor in future, you won't be able to generate any income or any profit in your business, and the money which is stuck in your business will be stuck forever, you won't be able to get back your money, then this crystal will absorb all such negativity, all such negative thoughts which is there in your mind with respect to your business, and it will help you to attract positive energies. And once you are positive, you'll get new and innovative ideas on how to expand your business operations. You'll get new strategies with this crystal. You'll apply new techniques, how you can generate income from your business, how you can generate good amount of profits, and how you can recover your losses in your business. So that's the way this crystal works. So place this crystal in your lockers, cash drawers, or place this crystal in the southeast direction of your home. You can place this ball, or you can also place this citrine tower in the southeast direction, or your cash lockers or your drawers. You can also place this citrine tower or ball in your handbags or your purses. It will help you to attract money into your life. And if you are going for any job interview, and if you're getting a lot of insecurities, there is fear inside you whether you will get that job or not, you can place the citrine tower in your handbag or your purse. There are citrine tumbles and citrine stones too. I don't have them available today, but there are citrine stones and tumbles. You can also place them in your handbags or your wallets too. It will help you in attracting the job you want and the money you want in your life. Now comes the last benefit with respect to spirituality. This citrine crystal also helps you to connect with the spiritual world. It helps you to connect with the divine power. All you have to do is, you have to place this citrine ball in your hand while meditating. And while meditating, make sure you're only getting positive thoughts in your mind. There are no negative thoughts running in your mind while you are meditating, because the law of attraction works here. If we think positive, we'll attract positive. And if we start thinking negative, once we start getting negative thoughts in our mind, we'll attract only negativity in our life. So make sure whenever you are meditating with this crystal, you're only getting positive thoughts. So just place this crystal in your hand, just close your eyes and visualize whatever you want to manifest in your life. For example, if you want to manifest money into your life, if you want to clear away all the money blockages that are there in your life, just visualize that you are attracting the money you want in your life and you are fully satisfied in your life. Just manifest and do this on a daily basis and you will see the results. You will get 100% results after this. But make sure you are being positive while meditating. So that's the way this crystal works. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. So if you want to buy this crystal from me, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also contact me through my Instagram account. Links for the same I have mentioned in my description box below. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about crystals, numerology, or you want some Vastu remedies, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu, or you need some spiritual tips, then you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. The links for the same are mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.